My name is Kelly Kipferl. I'm the Director of Solutions Engineering at NEC National Security Systems. We're going to talk about the NEC Intelligent Fiber Optic Sensing System. The system is made up of the interrogator, which is a distributed acoustic sensing device, and also the FOSS software, which is an AI-driven software for processing the vast amounts of data that the interrogator generates from the networks. The value for the customer is each one of these iFOSS units can connect up to 16 different optical fibers to it. And through each one of these connections, you can sense up to 100 miles worth of fiber optic cable. So using one unit, you can monitor a lot of fiber optics. One of the challenges is construction. A lot of times the construction crew, they don't know exactly where a buried cable might be. And oftentimes they'll be doing work and inadvertently dig up an existing fiber. So the iFOSS system can monitor those lines and send out notifications to teams so they can prevent the construction crew from digging up and disrupting the lines in real time. Typically, telecom companies benefit from this, those that work towards the operations and maintenance of these lines. And sometimes some of these companies can also provide some of these services to their own customers. You can find out more about the iFOSS product at necnss.com.
Orchestrating a brighter world. NEC.